The TranzVolt Hoist uses a wireless safe remote control system. It is designed to communicate with the TranzVolt for a 150-foot range. The TranzVolt comes with 2 wireless remote controls that allow operators to stand at a safe distance when operating the lift. You can download a copy of the quick reference guide on our website. There is also a copy included with your literature packet. Be sure to read all warning labels and instructions prior to operating your TranzVolt. Step 1. The wireless remote control buttons. The stop button disarms the remote control and stops your TranzVolt. The start button activates your TranzVolt. The JOG button allows you to reposition your TranzVolt. The up button moves your TranzVolt up on the track section. The down button moves your TranzVolt down on the track section. The home button sets the home locations on your TranzVolt. Step 2. Wireless remote control functions. Press the start button, followed by the home button, to set the initial top home position. Your TranzVolt will slowly climb to the top cap assembly and return to the bottom starting position. Press the up button once to lift your TranzVolt to the top home location. Press the down button once to lower your TranzVolt to the bottom home location. Press the stop button to stop your TranzVolt. Press start to resume operating your TranzVolt. You can stop your TranzVolt at any point while the TranzVolt is in motion. You can reposition the TranzVolt by using the JOG feature. Press and hold the JOG button and the up button to move your TranzVolt to a taller position. The JOG feature will not alter your home locations. Press and hold the JOG button and the down button to move your TranzVolt to a lower position. The JOG feature will not alter your home locations. You can modify the home positions on your TranzVolt at any time. To modify the top home position, jog the TranzVolt to the new position. Press and hold the home button and up button together. This will reset your top position only. To modify the bottom home position, jog the TranzVolt to the new position. Press and hold the home button and down button together. This will reset your bottom position only. Pressing the stop button temporarily disarms the TranzVolt. This allows for safe loading and prevents accidental movement of the TranzVolt until you reactivate your remote control by pressing the start button. Always deactivate your remote whenever your TranzVolt is not in use. Removing a battery from your TranzVolt will reset any homing locations. Use the quick reference guide for instructions. Contact customer service for any technical issues regarding your TranzVolt.